In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a featured product slider on Shopify. A featured product slider is a great way to highlight your best products or collections in a clean, scrollable section on your storefront. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a slider section added to your theme and ready to customize. Start by going to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and the appearance of your store. Make sure you're logged into the correct store before you continue. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. This search bar is very handy because it lets you quickly find apps, settings, and sections without clicking through multiple menus. Click into that search bar. Now, type Section Store into the search field. Shopify will show you matching results as you type. What we're looking for is the app or area called Section Store, which is where you can find pre-built sections like sliders. From the search results, click on Section Store. This will open the app interface. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's the first time you're opening it on your store. Inside Section Store, you'll see a search bar specific to this app. Click into that and type something like featured product or featured collection. The idea here is to find a section layout that's designed to show products or collections in a slider format. You'll see several design options appear. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the slider style you like best. Look at the layout, image size, and how many products it displays. When you're happy with one, click on that option to open its details. On the section's detail page, you'll usually see a button labeled Purchase Now or similar. Click on Purchase Now to add this slider section to your store. If it's a paid section, confirm that you're comfortable with the cost before proceeding. Shopify will then show you an approval or confirmation page for the charge associated with this section. Review the information, and when you're ready, click on Approve. This step authorizes Shopify to add the section to your store and handle any billing. Once that's done, go back to your Shopify admin and click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. This will bring you to the area where you manage themes and customize how your storefront looks. On the online store page, find your current theme and click on Edit Theme or Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can add, move, and configure sections on your pages. In the theme editor, look for the option to add a new section, usually on the left side. Click on Add Section, then use the search box there to search for the slider you just installed. It should appear by the name or keyword you saw in Section Store. Once you see your newly added featured product slider, click on it to insert it into the page. From here, you can configure which products or collections to show, adjust settings like the number of items per slide, and style it to match your brand. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save